Good morning, children. In the last video, we have seen theory of chapter 1 and I think chapter 2 also. So now we will start with the sum. Uh, so today's topic is rank correlation. Right? Now I will repeat that definition of rank correlation that I have given in the second last video also. So let's see. Sometimes even if the data consists of quantitative variables, the rank correlation coefficient is obtained by assigning the ranks to the numerical observation according to their magnitudes. Generally, when there is more dispersion among the values of the observation of two variables, rank correlation coefficient is preferred over Carl-Pearson's coefficient correlation coefficient. Uh, Here it is said that when the dispersion is more in the two variables, at that time we will make use of rank correlation coefficient. So this is considered more better than Carl-Pearson's correlation coefficient. So first of all, we will see the formula. Rank correlation formula is R equals 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. So this formula we are going to learn. Right? Now I will explain to you exercise. Now we will start directly with the exercise sums. Illustration sums you have to do in homework. Right? Now we will start with exercise 2.3. This rank correlation is the most important and the easier uh, topic in this chapter. Now, exercise number 2.3. 2.3 exercise, question number 1. Now, first I will write the question. 6 companies are ranked by 2 market analysts on the basis of their growth in the recent past. Company is given A, B, C, D, E, and F, and rank of by analyst 1 and rank by analyst 2. Two things is given. So let's start our sum. So this is our question. Company is given A, B, C, D, E, and F. Then rank by analyst 1 is given 5, 2, 1, 4, 3, and 6. And rank by analyst 2 is given 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 5. This is the question. Now we will write our formula. I told you that first of all we have to write our formula. Our formula is 1 minus R equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. Right? Here n we are having. N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. N is 6. Right? Now we have to start with our solution. So first column is of D. So what is D? D is Rx minus R1. Rx means rank of this first column always is X and second column is Y. Here first column is rank of X and second column is rank of Y. So Rx minus R1, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 2, 2, and 1. Now we square 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, and 1. Right? Now the total is AB and here 0. Right? Now we will put the values in our formula. So 1 minus 6 into sigma d square. This is sigma d square 18 upon what is n? N is 6. 6 square minus. That will be 1 minus 6 into 18 is 108. 6, 36 minus 1. 36 minus. Here I will do the rest of the solution. 1 minus 108 upon 6 into 35. 1 minus 108 upon 6 into 35 is 210. 1 minus 108 divided by 210 is 0.5143. That is 0.4857. That can be written as 0.49. So this is your solution. Then correlation is very easy because its formula is also very easy. R is n1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. Only the thing is you have to find d. Formula of d is rx minus ry. Then you have to make the square of d. That is d square. So sigma d square. Only the thing you have to find is sigma d square, right? N is already given, that one number of observations, that is 6. 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. Understood? Now one more sum I will do. Second one. Second question is, an official has ranked 9 villages of a sample on the basis of the work done in the area of Swachhata Abhiyan and Beti Bachao Abhiyan by the village. The rank are given below. In question, if it is given, rank is given, then you have to consider that first and second column is rank only, rank of X and rank of Y. Now village is given. Village 1 to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 villages are given. So let's start the solution. Four, eight, seven, 1, 9, 5, 6, 2, 8, 5, 6, 2, 1, 3. So this is our question. Village is given 1 to 9 and Rx is given 4, 8, 7, 1, 9, 5, 6, 2 and 3. Then Ry. Third column is of Ry. 6, 8, 5, 1, 9, 7, 3, 4 and 2. So these are the three columns which is given in the question. Now we will do the solution. Now our next column is of D. Rx minus R1. So our next column is D, that is Rx minus R1. So this is minus 2, 0, 0, 0, minus 2, 3, minus 2 and 1. Then after D square, that is 4, 0, 4, 0, 4, 9, 4 and 1. 3 square is 9, not 6. Remember that. Then see the total. Total is 26. Now 1 minus 6 into 26 upon 9, 9 square minus 1 minus 6 into 26 is 156, 156 upon 9, 81 minus 1. 1 minus 156 upon 9 into 1 minus 156 upon 720. Right? Now, our final answer we can see R equals 0.7833. So it can be written as 0.7. So this is our solution. Easy enough. Now next, fourth sum. Little bit different. Fourth one is third sum is little bit different. The following information is obtained by a survey conducted by a town planning committee of a state. City is given A, B, C, D, and E. Then population is given. Then first column is a city, then is population, then is rate of growth. Right? Then on the basis of this, you have to find the rank correlation coefficient between the population of the cities and the rate of growth of the population. Let's see. So first column is of X, A, B, C, D, and E, and second column is of first column is city, and second column is of X, that is 57, 45, 14, 18, and 8, and third column is of Y, that is 13, 20, 10, 15, and 5. Right? Here X and Y is given. Now you have to give the rank, that is Rx and Ry. So rank is given from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You all know that for the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like this we are giving the rank. So here, how we will give the rank? Whichever number is greater, that will get the first rank. Okay? इसका भी मार्क्स ज्यादा होता है उसको फर्स्ट रैंक मिलता है वैसे ही कंसेप्ट फर्स्ट 27 1 then this is 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, then RY here first rank goes to 20, that is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and 5. After that, D. Rx minus Ry. Then after all the things will remain the same. Only the new thing is here X and Y is given and on the basis of that you have to give the rank. How you will know that it is in the question rank is given or not, because it will be mentioned in the question itself only that whether the column is of rank column or of X and Y. Here in third question, see in the second question it is said that the ranks are given below. See, you can see after that question statement below that above that table that Swachhata Abhiyan and Beti Bachao Abhiyan by the village full stop, then it is said that the ranks are given below. That means the column is of rank Rx and Agar. And here in third question, nothing is mentioned about rand. So we can consider it as x and y. And on the basis of that, we have to find rx and ry. So now we will be finding d, that is rx minus rx. Minus 2, 1, 0, 1, and 0. Then d square. 2, 1, 0, 1. That is, here it is. Now, simply we will put the values in the formula r equals, and n is 5. 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 6 upon 5, 5 square minus 1. That is 1 minus 36 upon 5, 25 minus 1. 1 minus 36 upon 5 into 24. 1 minus 36 upon 25 into 20, 24 into 5 is 120. 1 minus 36 divided by 120 is 0.6. That is 0.7. The value of r is 0.7. This much. Now we'll see the next question. If it is different, then only we will solve it. Otherwise, you have to do it in homework. Here also the same thing. Fourth one you can do in homework, right? Now I will discuss fifth. I will solve fifth one. Fifth one is also a little bit different. So I will solve that. Now fifth question. Fifth question is, so question number 4. The following information is obtained by taking a sample of 10 students from the students of a science college. So students, number of students is given, that is 1 to 10. Then marks in mathematics and marks in statistics is given. So this is the question of fourth one. Now we have to give the ranks, right? As we have done in the third sum, same way you have to, sorry, the set, oh, sorry. We are doing fifth. Okay. We will solve this also. Let's solve this. What else can we do? I have written the question only, that's it. Now we will give the rank Rx. So first rank is here. Then 98. Good. First rank for 98. Then second is 90. Third is 82. Then fourth is 78. 75 is 65. 6. 62. 7. 39. 8. So this is the rank. Now we will see RY. Now first rank goes to 91, then 86, 84 third rank, 68, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, here 9, this one is 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is the rank, right? Now D, Rx minus Ry and D square. Minus 2, minus 2, 0, 0, minus 2, 1, 4, 0, 0, 1. So 4, 4, 0, 0, 4, 1, 16, 0, 0, and 1. So 20, 21, 22, and 30. So the total is 30. Simply put the values. R equals 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1, 1 minus 6 into 30 upon n is 10, 10 square minus 1. So now you can do the calculation by yourself. So the answer is value of R is, see, I can tell you the answer only. 0.82. You will be getting 0.82. And one more important thing I want to tell you. See, here your formula is R equals 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. This is your formula. But many students write like this. R equals 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon whole upon. From 1 is also they are taking. And x square minus 1. So this is the wrong method, wrong way to write the formula. Okay, so you have to write like this, because if you are doing like this, you are including 1 also here. So this will be, your answer will be wrong. So this is the wrong formula. You have to write like this. You have to take care of this line upon. So 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. N square minus 1 is not the denominator of 1. It is only the denominator of 6 sigma d square. Okay. So this. Now I am going to explain the next sum, that is sum number 5. Sum number 5 is little bit different and its formula also little bit different. So let's see the question. From the following information of height of husband and wife, calculate the rank correlation coefficient between their height. Height of husband is given and height of wife is given. That is x and y. That it is not r x and r1. Okay, remember that much. So let's see the solution.